we gear up for the new year 2020, the Maverick has a one-item wish list I want to share with you all this evening. There are several things worth wishing for, but this one is perhaps pound for pound the most urgent fundamental across all sporting disciplines in Jamaica. So government, private sector, clubs, schools, general public, at home and in the diaspora, my wish is that some way, somehow, someone, somewhere can at least begin the process of strategically fixing some of the football surfaces in Jamaica. Please, please, please. We're not asking for a brand new multi-purpose, multi-million-dollar stadium or $1 billion professional football league. We are keeping it real and achievable. This is a long-running plea that escalated into a battle, almost a war, and is now back down to a plea. No, we are big. The football surfaces are too critical to everything that we're thinking about, talking about, and planning for the future of Jamaican football. Not because we're selling the odd player here or there means everything is all right. Everything is not all right. Let us urgently identify 3, 2, good God, even 1 facility and set it. As a nation, we will not regret it.